Welcome to our webinar, our brief demonstration of the Esri connector. The Esri connector is designed to connect a geocoder, spectrum, global address geocoder to Esri technology, the Esri GIS Online or ArcPro. You set it up by going to your ArcGIS Online account and in your utility services, selecting the spectrum geocoder and putting in the URL. Once it's configured, you can go into first your Arc Online if you want to, and we'll locate an address here. As you can see, it comes up with the type ahead and gives you different addresses that can be your choice. You can click on that address and go ahead and zoom in and see where it is. Secondly, we can add an entire data set. Here I'll choose a CSV file. Then we go ahead and choose the right associated columns. And we can add the layer. And you'll notice it goes ahead and geocodes to the correct locations. And we can, of course, click on any information and get the information about that location. Now we can do the same thing with ArcPro. With ArcPro, we can go ahead and again, locate a certain address. And you'll see just like before, it'll go ahead and give us the type ahead. And similarly, we can go ahead and geocode an entire table. And again, we'll choose a CSV file, selecting the right fields. In both these instances, the data is going out to the geocoder, whether it's hosted within your own or hosted elsewhere, accessing it and geocoding the data. And it is up to you on where that is. It can either be via a service or via your own internal hardware. Having it on your own internal hardware does save you much of the expense of a software as a service. So many of our customers choose that choice as it's a controlled cost. I hope this helped you out. Thank you very much and have a good day.